go through what everyone did.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Share my screen first. Um, and then from there, at least you guys can see where we're coming from. You see?
Yep.
Mhm.
Uh, so let's get cracking this thing. And then we got the exchange platform. So I'm gonna come to this is a are these pull requests? Where's the pull request here?
Uh,
What branch is this? This branch develop.
I think you merged Minha one first because I saw he got changed some file name.
Why not merge all? Okay, it doesn't matter. I mean, don't have to bother with the order, I think. But
No, because I scared like oh, merge conflict just in
oh,
case lah.
oh, I see. Okay. Um, home. Oh yeah, I can't see if there's a pull request here. Doesn't show me the pull request. Okay, never mind. Squash and merge. Actually, Minha, do you ever delete your old branches or do you
yeah, I just delete my old branches.
okay.
Yep.
Wants to merge this. Some conflicts in base branch must be resolved. I always so annoyed. How do you resolve conflicts in Git Kraken? I always tend to go through there, which I don't mind, but I just want to know how do you annoying. Actually, they have a very nice way to resolve merge conflicts, but that's after you merge the thing.
Oh, it's at the router JS.
Mm-hmm.
Conflicts. Okay, then let's go to. I can resolve it here, or can you guys resolve it also, or do I can? I mean, I just need to resolve it.
Yeah, let me see.
If not, I can just resolve it here, lah. Since I'm merging, right?
Mm-hmm.
I just resolve it here, lah, very fast. How do we resolve this?
Oh, accept the incoming one. Because the
Incoming
incoming
one,
one,
right?
I optimized the names already.
Like I remove the develop branch, lah,
Oh no, branch one.
or remove this one, ah.
Yeah.
Test to login register. Okay.
Oh, if like that, later I add in my one.
You can just merge it lah.
Hmm.
Wait. So what?
So basically, this is just it kind of like just optimizes name lah, so that it's increased usability.
Okay. Done. So let's go back to Git Kraken. Origin master. Origin develop. Eh. Oh yeah, something merge and close. Um, I'm going to merge develop into master. Eh. Merge development to master. I'm going to push it to master. So now master's updated with the latest one. Cool. So let's run it through. 1 second. Actually, let me You guys ever try any other code editors?
Nah, I just
No.
take with VS Code.
This JetBrains, I use it for a while. It's quite nice actually. They got a lot of extra like useful stuff. I give you a simple usefulness of JetBrains. One very basic one. You tell me if you can do this in VS Code. I can search for a file. I can search for any keyword, but it comes at this kind of view like that.
Oh.
I can straight away see here. One thing I noticed that yes, VS Code got this feature search all, but I cannot do like this. But I can see everything. This one thing I find so useful. VS Code is like you just search and then it just comes on the side, but I cannot see like the words here inside here.
Like you can't
The
see.
summary,
Yeah, that's one. Another one which I'm damn annoyed with is if you want to go to a function, right? I can come here, I can do like Control and D, and it jumps me to the code. Whereas in VS Code, I have to actually like click on it like that. But I don't know. I think VS Code maybe you can do a keyboard shortcut definitely actually. I believe so you can. But some of the interface was searching files. Yeah, searching files the same way Actually, a lot of small different things that I think maybe makes a. Okay, I don't know. I just try also sometimes see what's the difference. This design's a bit off. Let me change back to the normal one. Oh, a bit faded, right? Y'all can't see, right? Localhost 3000. So what do you guys do, actually?
I only center the login content and also the register content.
Oh, what the heck? Login page view not found.
Oh, I think maybe the
app.view.
Huh?
App.view, I think.
App.view, what? We're missing login page.view. No,
Didn't add anything.
nothing there.
Yeah. You can just add under router view.
Add what?
No.
No, it's missing login page.
Yeah.
Of view not found.
Wait, I think because just now it was removed from the router.
Huh? I'm missing a login page here. You have it yet, Paul?
No.
Oh no, it's changed to login.view.
Login.view.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. The file I changed it to login.
I changed login.view lah. Here, right? Is it?
Yeah.
Is it this?
Oh yeah, and the login, I think I changed the login file. No, the folder L to capital letter if I'm not mistaken. You removed the.
Yeah. No, it's still
No.
It's
So
still
it's not meant to be this. It's meant to be just login.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, nice. Why so long? Where's the login page?
Need to add
No,
this.
you haven't put in the div.
Oh yeah. Nice.
How come become like this?
Are you guys
We
supposed
just
to?
improve on the paddings.
Yeah, right. Oh, you set it over here already, right? You add a margin, is it?
This is not my code wall.
Huh?
No, you go.
Yeah, because actually I actually added a few more things yesterday.
Did you push it? Where? Let me see your branch. Where's your branch? Where?
Branch 1.
Where? This. You didn't push it, eh?
You
didn't push it.
Yeah. Let me check from my side.
It's not pushed. Okay, but we're looking at that. Let's see what else. After login, what are the pages?
Mine is public profile, home, and products.
So it's working. Do you guys look at what about storybook? I say you're talking about storybook, right?
Yeah. If there are no extra tasks, because since basically everything is like created lah. So I think like
Is
this
it
week,
working at the routes?
the routes I haven't like actually tried it lah, uh but logic is correct lah, so should be fine.
Okay.
Yeah,
Nice,
yeah.
nice, nice. Um, let's go to the. So actually, looking at the Figma, right?
Everything is more or less done
Yeah.
for design.
I mean,
Just that I probably have to get a better color.
integrate, right?
Yeah. Now, so I was thinking like this week can next week can focus on connecting some of the loose dots,
Yeah.
which is a storybook and uh also just checking if the routing works lah. Probably at the back button or something.
So next we will need to actually do what do you call it?
The
We need to
payment
add
side.
this to a database, right? So if you log in, the moment you log in already, you come to your user profile. You will see your own user profile and you will see all the products, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then you can select a product, you can view the product, and then you can see the product's points, and then you can buy it with your points. Once you buy, okay, the only thing we're missing here now is the checkout page, right? I'm gonna assume that the checkout page is gonna be like this design lah. That lah. And then you got your actually checkout is just directly go to the credit card page only, right? Click here,
Uh,
review lah, review your data lah, right?
yeah, yeah.
Review, and then it's gonna show you your product details again over here. And then all you need is your product details. And then you need your shipping. Oops. Need your shipping details, and you need your payment details, right? Payment details will be by payment is using points already. It's just shipping only. Shipping and product. You know how the platform works is that you don't use money. You
Use
just pay with
points.
points only, yeah, right? But somebody needs to ship the products,
Mm-hmm.
right? People still need to ship the product. So how could it work? You would show your what? Review.
Uh, yeah, product details and where's one more thing? Product details, shipping details, whereby shipping details contain your shipping address and your alternate billing address is needed.
No
So
need lah.
shipping address, we're not using any vouchers, so omitted. Then we have left with nothing much honestly. It's just shipping details and also maybe contact details since it's not in the public profile page.
Shipping details, right? Then you got your address.
Just contact.
Oh, I
Address
think I
normally
know
address
why
and the
already.
postcode kind of thing lah.
I mean, address if you want to improve this, like address line 1, address line 2,
Yeah,
then
yeah, that's the thing.
all the yada yadas.
Yeah lah, that's like lah. But basically, it's like actually the shipping details can be line one. Line is it meant to be like one horizontal down? And lah.
By right, it should be lah.
Postcode, right?
Postcode, yeah. City, state, postcode.
Actually, it's all address line 1, line 2 already Line 3.
But majority usually will
It's
address
city
line 1
approved,
is
right?
the usually it's city, state, and postcode.
Oh, okay. Postcode, city, and state, right?
Yeah. Then, but state we can play around with a bit lah. Like if you want to have more how to say more consistent data, then you can make it a drop down box.
Lazada checkout how?
Lazada checkout lah. I think it follows the same concept. Let me check.
Let me just buy something here lah. I mean, just buy to check out. Oh, different one. Place order. They
Yes.
don't. Oh, they automatically check. Oh, my account is safe already. They cannot see the thing.
I show mine.
Never mind. No, never mind. It's okay. It's okay. No, yeah, just tell me. But I think it's just postcode, city, and then
Theirs is
country.
like this is like full name, phone number at the left side, and address, state, city, postcode. So for them, they didn't split the two address lines.
Mine lah. Yeah, I mean, okay, address line 1, address line 2. Longer lah. Address line 1, address line 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then city, postcode, city, and then country lor.
Mm.
And then additional note. Additional note is over here. Notes for the mailer lah.
Mm-hmm.
But then oh, it's big. Then confirm lor, confirm button, right? Then the button will be confirm over there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Assets. Confirm. Okay. Something like that. After this, ship. Okay, basically for shipping, right? The buyer needs to ship the product out lah.
Mm-hmm.
The buyer needs to pay for the shipping cost to ship the product out. That one is just means we are missing the user's setting page. He needs the user own profile page, right? Correct. Name. Oh, my products over here. My products, and then basically these are my own products. Then this is the products. Maybe I have another section. My bought products. Then your sold products. My products is really here already lah, right? Then you could say it can maybe say something like bought or sold or something like, because bought products and my products will be like two different things ma, correct?
Mm.
Because you buy a product and then you sell your product. This is your my purchases, they call it my purchases, sorry. Know what I mean? Purchases, then you can see over here. This will be you can see the status pending or completed. I think you just add a small little thing here, can like pending. What do you think?
I think or maybe you just want to make it a filter.
I know about how to see whether the product is pending or not. Can we put a little symbol here?
Or do you want to maybe like use the use that part to maybe just put like either pending or sold or purchased, like under which category it falls under.
Okay.
So
should you need to show here now on the card?
Yeah, you can show lah.
Show on the
Then
card
we can use those values as when we develop like a filter function.
Yeah. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Ken. Hey, how do you no, the UI is a bit weird here. So do it pending like this, and then put a little like a color around it, right? Like that. It's like a little pill box, does it need lah?
Mhm.
So pending, and we have another one which is, well, this is basically card pending, and then we have another one called delivered lah, order delivered, right? Delivered.
Mhm.
What do you guys think of delivered?
Can lah. Or pending you can change to delivering.
You mean delivery?
Like delivering.
Oh, delivering. How to know whether it's delivering or delivered and all that?
That's
That's
why
the
we
thing.
need a checking system.
Wow, no need lah. At the basic
Because
level.
like Lazada, they have like
Yeah.
shifted, or like, they actually show like very detailed process also, like it's already like shipped to where, or like packaged to where, then they just like, oh, it started to ship, you know.
Okay, okay. I actually have done this before. We actually call DHL API and we always check every hour what's the status of the shipment.
Mm. Can.
So we can do that for the shipment, but that's only if they use DHL,
Mhm.
right? Use DHL, and then basically we can show them the status lah, right? Pending, delivered, delivering, whatever, right? Um, you guys have access to this Figma or not?
Yeah. Which one?
I mean, access as in edit or to view.
I mean to view oh yeah, yeah, because Figma got limitations. You cannot you know what I mean? You cannot add more than multiple editors. Delivering, deliver. Okay, basically it's a status lah. It's a status over here lah. Call it shipment status lah, right? So card pending. This is card. So if I go back into the wireframes, card pending long, let's say. Card pending. Basically all of them have a status lah. My purchases all should have either a status ma.
Mhm.
Okay, so that's the status. Okay, so we need this. And then my products. Do we need status for this as well?
My products. Is it as in the ones that you're selling or shipping out?
Yeah, you're selling your products, right? So you need a status more for it, correct?
Mhm.
Maybe you just need to show whether is it still have stock or out of stock, maybe.
Um, yeah. I mean, you are exchanging your clothes, right? So every product is you're listing one item only, what?
Oh,
But
one
if you go
item
to
only hours.
carousel, right, you will not be able to show like, oh, I might have stock. I mean, can you do that? Because normally you just sell a product, you just sell one product. It's like every card is for one product.
Okay. I think I get what you mean.
Or you can put the quantity lah, but I'm not sure about that.
But since it's just one, I think maybe no need to have the quantity. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So why don't we leave it at this? Why don't Minha, why don't you tackle the public profile page, add in this extra like status and purchases and all that, because it's just for like the user side, correct?
Mhm.
Yeah, and then the shipping address need to change also lor.
Mm-hmm.
Shipping address cannot be like that, it should be the full thing, what, correct?
Mm-hmm.
I put a comment here, right? You can see the comment by pressing C in your Figma. And then for let's say this one my product, you need to add status codes. Add status codes to every product. So like if it's either shipping status or maybe like if let's say the product is not yet purchased, right? Like people haven't bought the product. Do we need to show a status for it? Like oh, the product has been bought, the product has been sold, or do we just show like shipping status straight away?
For the seller, is it?
I mean, seller buyer, I think just show shipping status enough lah. Because if you haven't sold a product, right, or maybe you can show the word like if you haven't if someone bought your product, you don't say sold, you just call it to ship. Means you haven't shipped yet, but you requires to ship. So everything
Yeah.
is shipping status. You don't have to say bought, sold. I mean, useless, because if you're shipping a product, means someone bought it already. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
So shipping status is to ship, and then
Shipping.
like then from there you got like shipping delivered, right?
Mm-hmm.
And these can be to ship is it shows that to ship. Shipping is like in the progress, and then delivered is delivered lah.
Mm.
Okay, there can be many status codes in between, like like oh at checkpoint A or like move to checkpoint B or whatever lah, right? Or like past warehousing process. The shippers got the shipping company got a lot of status code, but we just use 3 in here from them. Like
Mm-hmm.
standardized to 3 lah, to ship, shipping, delivered, let's just say lah. And
But means that this status is for every user to see. Like
for
including those who didn't buy the product also.
oh no lah, no, for those that buy the product only. So that means this is under my cart, right? Only inside your my products and my purchases, ma. If I
Okay.
go back to the main page, right, I shouldn't see this product here already, it's sold out already. Means you have to filter all the products with a shipping status, filter them out. Basically, you must show all available products only, like that's it. That has no shipping status in them. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Right? This should definitely be the number of points. This here should show number of points. You agree?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
The number of points. This is useful lah. So and product page, review, checkout, confirm. Okay lor. I think the only thing left is the settings page. I'm not sure what to put in there yet. This is the user's public profile. Actually, this is the user's I use the user profile. I don't call it public profile. User profile is profile. Alright. Actually, I don't need my product and purchases. Yeah. Anything else missing? Like your points, to see your points and all that.
I think
Here lah, points.
because
How much points you have, right?
mm,
That is lah. I mean, you just show them points only ma. Correct? Like that, like simple. Right?
mm-hmm.
Just show there lor.
Do we need a page like to show that sorry, to show that they have successfully made the purchase?
They have successfully made the purchase.
Hmm.
My purchases are. So this will be called pending. And actually like it should be called to ship. I think can we use the same status whether it's under my products or my purchases. It's called to ship, shipping, and received.
Mm-hmm. Can
Can we use the same status code?
yeah, can.
Does it make sense? Yeah, I think it makes sense also, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's call it.
But I mean, if you really want to segregate, then for purchase, for purchases you can put receive. Then for your own products one, you can say like shipped lah, like delivered or shipped. But
Okay.
it kind of doesn't matter lah.
Yeah, lah.
In
It's just a small thing. Later we can decide lah.
Mm.
Just put a status code there lah, right? Sorry, what Paul is saying?
Sorry.
What were you saying?
What, you mean the just now the what did I say? The use or show that the user has successfully purchased the item. I think just now that's what I said. Right?
Yeah, how to know it's successfully purchased?
Because my thought was like when we show the product info, then we purchase. Then after that, it will show like, oh yes, like a notice that you have successfully purchased. Then they, I will go back to the user profile maybe to see the status.
Oh, successfully purchased over here lah. Success purchase checkout. Under one lor. Let's put this lah. Right? I mean, is that all right?
And the error page though. Error page, maintenance page. I think that one just like you just slap one later on.
Okay.
Like your status spec.
Yeah.
Okay. So right, okay, I think we need to do two things here. Number one, I want to keep this simple. Let's integrate this into Firebase.
Can.
And then means the login, right? Talk to Firebase, come back here. We see the user profile over here, up here. The user icon there. Oh yeah, user can upload his picture as well. Upload picture. In fact, why don't you do the user profile, then how can do the Firebase part first?
Can also look into it.
Yeah.
But you're creating the account, right? Or do you want me to create?
You just create one dummy one first.
Okay lah.
Just use one.
Right.
So you can keep upload profile also.
Yeah. Might need to give some space, like if we want to implement the cropping feature.
The what?
Cropping picture. Like after you upload, you can crop.
Oh, no need lah. Later lah.
Yeah.
No, but Paul, why don't you handle this user profile page instead?
Sure.
So you add this one, then you add add picture as well. Then how can work on the login feature lah.
Right.
So login. When you log in, confirm. Then we can go to the. Then we can basically see their status log in the marketplace, correct? We can see whether they're logged in, logged out. One thing that we can do is we can add dummy data to write to the dummy data. I mean, so let's say for example, right? I want to create. I want to essay. Submit a product as well. You got to submit a. I want to be able to add a product. Is add product, right? Now what is add product? Add product is gonna be just a bunch of text box, correct? That's it lah. Basically it's gonna be a bunch of text box. So you got the then you need to upload picture also, right? You need to upload many product pictures actually. Correct. So it should be called something like
Upload files.
upload pictures. Upload no, normally how they call it, upload primary picture, upload secondary. Actually, when I look at muda.com, you know how they do it now? They do like this one. Do a rectangle. Then your picture is here, picture here. You say what you upload many pictures, lah, right? Then you can even like then here, let's say here. Then now here, this new one here will be a plus symbol. You know what I mean?
Mm,
This is for you to click here again so you can add another picture. Like that. That's how I do it in Muda. Muda.com.my, like, if you guys know it.
Oh.
Yeah, so when you add a new picture, then it will come here and then this will be a showing here. That. You know?
then, if that is the case, then in the profile card must the picture of the profile card has to be
You show many picture actually, you're right. Actually should show
it
many
has to be
picture, right?
character method lah.
Means means if you want to keep it simple, right? So you just show it below there.
Other images.
Yeah, other images.
I see. Okay.
Right? So you can come here and see how to do it. Yeah, other images. Similar product, I think put something there first. Because you want people to see all the other pictures like in like good detail, so like because they want to be able to see up close, ma. Hey, but actually, you could be right, lah. Carousel is easy, but carousel is better, but I think keep it simple first, lah. You want to like, I'd rather we just do something that has the functionality rather than waste time thinking of a carousel and all that. You know what I mean? Just here, lah, right? Just literally display all the 8 pictures here. Right, you know,
Oh,
right?
maximum 8 lah.
Yeah, maximum 8. With 7 is that 7. So this is so much easier. Don't have to go and like bother with the. So that means we need the upload picture so can do through Firebase, right? I think so lah. If not, we can always go other ways. But upload picture not mean Firebase way also can. So this is you're adding a product, then you have a button here lah, right? Where is it? Add product. Then poll, you have to decide lah what to put in there lah. Add product. Change the text lah.
Oh yeah, just curious, like in the view file, like when we want to like key in the naming, right? Is it possible to like use the curly bracket naming in the placeholder also?
Wait, where?
Like let's say you go to the text box view. Like I have look at the label, I have the curly bracket and text. Is it possible for the placeholder to put the same thing also?
Why not? I mean,
it will link.
I think it works fine, I think it's fine. Does it work? It should work though.
Oh, okay.
I think it's fine. I think it can.
Just want to double check.
Yeah, but you might need to actually normally how we do it is I don't think it's like this. It's like this.
Oh, no need the curly brackets.
Like JavaScript style like that. I believe it's like that.
But if you put it in that way, the placeholder will show the literal word, right?
No, it works because I put it as JavaScript style like this here.
Oh, okay.
So then here we reference what is name in the variable. Then you look down here. Oh, name is here. I'm guessing it could be like that. Yeah, because I think this curly brace must only be within a HTML tag.
Okay.
Yeah. But do you merge your code? We can see that also.
Oh yeah, I just create a pull request already.
Okay, we will do it after this. So
after this.
Okay, we realized we got quite a bit like add product, my purchases, my product, and then log in, and then you can view right, my products, my purchases. Every product should have the name. What is it again? Points, number of points, description of product, right? And then let's put here condition lah. Condition can be dropped down lah. Yeah, po.
Drop down. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I mean logical, I think, right?
In that case, I think I'll just. Do I need to create a new component? A new, not component,
I just
molecule.
use yeah, we normally need to, but I leave it to you lah.
Okay.
So create new component lah. Then drop down condition be what
Hmm.
almost new, because everything is second hand here lah, technically.
Do we want to use words or or numbers
Or
to
Both
we
are
just
good.
categorize?
just use like use duration or something like that. Then like give
No, the thing use duration doesn't work. So because I got a shirt that I have for 1 year already, but I never wore it in my life. You see what I mean?
there you can put use how to say usage frequency. Then you put like rare
That's why lah. Almost new,
s-
slightly worn, and use lah. Use frequently. This English word clear ma? Is it not clear?
Uh, I think the definition can vary sometimes.
Oh, okay.
mm,
Then how do we make it explicit?
slightly used,
Yeah.
moderately used, and use lor.
Yeah, lor. I have that already, lor. Same thing lah. Slightly worn,
Cause your products can, I mean, depends how they interpret one lah.
slightly used lah.
Yeah, slightly used
I
lah.
change the word use. Okay lah. But basically, we can never expect them to count or whatever. So it's always have to be quite vague one lah. No
Mm.
choice at the end. Okay lah. So 3 levels on the word, maybe something like that. Then this is a text box. Is that it, right?
Mm, this is products name, points,
Then picture.
description. Yeah.
And
For
then
profit.
we have the ability to set the primary picture, Primary picture, if you click it and you highlight it in green, it becomes the primary picture. So you can click it, right, to choose which one you want to be the primary picture.
Ooh, this one. Okay.
And now simple one can, right? Paul can do Paul. This is primary picture. Yeah.
Alright. So many after upload on click, then it will show a green border.
You upload, you will show the pictures there. You can click the picture you want to be a primary picture.
Yeah. So yeah, okay. So
Profile
yeah,
picture lah, basically, yeah.
Okay.
basically on click, it will show the green border lah. You can just do that for like dummy-ish for now.
Yeah, on click will do that.
Oh, just to show that this is a primary picture.
Yeah. Like if you want to
Label,
make it
right?
dummy,
Okay.
just make it show a green border first lah, or like other color border.
Okay, cool. I think looks good. Looks good lah. Looks good. It looks very solid already. Go back to this one. Let's merge posting.
I know what's the issue already lah. Just now when I check the develop, right, the login and the register view is in another file.
Oh, another file.
I mean, because just now when we create, before that we create pages, then there's one designated file for login and register.
Oh.
That's why updated inside only.
I see. Okay. So in this case, you have to develop there. I'm gonna merge your develop in master. I'm gonna push it. And then what is this auto stash we did earlier? Oh, this one. Yeah, this text box thing. Let's check this out as well. I'm on master branch really. So do you fix the login is fixed? Oh, I have to stash back again. Oh shit. Too much conflict. Where is it? Here. So which one do we use?
The top one. The top one. We use the updated upstream. Yeah.
Okay, cool, nice. So we can log in. Then we can go to the other pages. How? Slash.
Slash
Let's do that.
slash home.
Wait, I think I think I didn't enter the router yet for login and register because just now got merge conflict.
Yeah.
No
It's
man, no
okay.
man.
It's okay. Hey, whose dog is this? Damn nice. Eh?
I stole my friend's auto.
Oh, haha.
Yeah, cause the size is just nice, so
Okay,
I
cool.
used it.
This looks good. Are you all aware of the child components how it work, right? Like the
Child
route children, see
Oh
nav
yeah, yeah.
layout. Yeah, nav layout. Then you have a children component. That's how they do it, like right? Slash product slash profile.
Mm.
Or description missing on reference. Okay.
I'll check on it.
Product. And then why is this login always showing down there? Oh, logins in the app.view. It
Yeah,
shouldn't
yeah.
be in the app.view.
Oh no, I think it was used to like just
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
check.
used
I
to
know.
test it
But it
actually.
should be inside
Yeah,
here, right?
yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, just
Ah,
curious. Is there any way that I can like view the page without using the app.view?
view the what?
Like let's say I just want to look at I just want to view login view or register view.
Yeah,
Is it possible to like no need to
question.
use app view?
Yeah, do something here lah. Call this here playground. That's what I do every time. You know what I mean? This is the dumbest way. That's why we have storybook also, but this way is a simple dumb way to do it lah. You know what I mean? Yeah. So playground lor. And what's playground? Playground is just basically a dummy page that do whatever you want inside. Yeah. That's it lah. Here. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Why? Oh, playground's not defined. There you go, playground. You put whatever you want in playground lah. You don't care one lah, right? You know. Correct, right? And just see any lah. Fun lah. So, oh yeah, you wanted to see also the other thing, right? Just now you earlier mentioned was the attribute. Can you put the template tag inside there?
Oh
Like,
yeah,
you
the
don't need
placeholder.
this
Yeah,
also,
for the
that's
placeholder.
Where was it again?
In the text box.
Stop view.
This one, right? Placeholder name. Where is this text box? Where you use text box? Never use it at all, text box of view. Oh, you use it.
Yeah, I
Oh,
used in login and
you
register.
cannot detect, way. It's supposed to detect, How come it doesn't detect? Oh, damn it, because of this alias thing. That's unfortunate lah. I can't detect where the file is used. Very annoying. Text box placeholder is name. We don't have name also here. It's not required. So this is login view, right? Oh, there you go. Work, see?
Oh, okay.
If I do this a template style here, I think it'll give an error.
Just need to add the colon.
Yeah, add the colon. There, see? Cannot. This basically need to use the earlier one. Okay, so that's some placeholder. So let's maybe have a quick look about the Firebase. Yeah, I mean, how are you familiar with it? Never done before, right?
Never done it myself lah, but I looked into the dashboard everything before.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why not let's just see it now very quickly as well. How about that?
Alright.
Firebase. Where is the what do you call it? Firebase view, right? Is that how you do it?
Mm-hmm.
Gee, they got quite straightforward lah over here, right?
Yeah.
Set a Firebase project. Okay lah, looks quite simple lah. Looks quite simple. I think this one you can go through it lah, not a problem. Do we need a dummy DB to simulate the data? You know what I mean? Let's say if I want to like add, I want to like add my, we want to add, let's say my products. Let's say I have inside my profile page, right? Where is it inside the profile pages? You got your product page, right?
Mm-hmm.
You want to add your product. Let's say I have a button here right now. Okay, where's the product? This is in product page. What page is this product?
Product. Slash product.
Oh, slash product.
Yep.
Do we have do we have profile page?
The user profile page, is it?
Yeah,
Slash profile.
we do.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say over here, I want to add product. How do you think we can do it? Add product. Can we create we can create a dummy like file to append to the file, not? So over here inside we have our, call it mock data lah. I like to call it mock data. JSON file. Oh, TS config. These are all is this TypeScript or JavaScript?
I think I can just add a new file and just like .json. I don't know if it works for your editor, but
Yeah.
it works for mine at least.
Yeah, you're right. What's the data structure we can do?
We will be having just follow all the variables for the
Name, right?
the product. So you have name, you have description, the files. Okay, the files is one thing. Because that one, it depends on how you want to do the encoding.
Photos will be like this. And then it's going to be the URL. URL.
List of URLs.
No, actually not just URL. URL is primary. Right? And then you need to have every photo needs to have maybe just a short description, a short like meta lah. Be something like, like oh, front, close up, whatever lah, right? I put that first meta lah, that's it lah.
Alright. Then you
Right?
condition.
Condition got it, right?
Oh yeah, okay. So yeah, that's
Right.
it.
So we're gonna render from this. Right? We can render from this over here. And then we can list out everything, correct? Render from this page, then list out the photo, and then you can add also to this. You can add to this product JSON, right? You have to write the file basically. You have to write to a file. Correct. So if I add product, let's say the moment I click add product, I want to add another product over here. How you do it?
Basically, you just push. Like after you fill in everything, you press the submit button, and then the data will be in layman terms, it just extracts and just push it to the list as the format just now.
So you have to import all the products first, right? From
the JSON file.
Mock. Where's the JSON file?
Products.json.
It should be inside here. It should be inside
the source.
Yeah, source. And then inside the mock, you input the products JSON. Okay, so then over here from mock, products JSON. So if I want to render all the products, Why you got error here? Oh, methods done already. Sorry. How do you render all the products? Let's say when you want to load the page, I want to show all the products. How do we do it? Just like
Uh,
created. You're aware of that? Created.
no,
You
this
have
one.
a data object here. Return. So I have here products. Okay. The moment I call it created, I can do this dot products equals products, and I can console log the products just to make sure.
Mm-hmm.
If I come back up here, I can show it over here, products. Put a little marker here just to see it inside profile view. Where profile view? There you go, right there.
I see. Okay.
So I want to add a new product. Let me show it down here. Let me show it up. Let me show the button up here. Paul, you get this? Paul, you there?
Yeah.
I think a lot of this stuff is new to you.
It's
So
like
for example,
API, is it?
yeah, but instead of
Yeah.
API, we just use a text file first, a plain text file.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
So you can do here.
Haven't dived into that part
So
yet.
much
Never mind,
easier.
it's simple. We go through together. So add product.
So much
This
easier
guy
than next.
will call the found sys element non-unique name. So let's say, right? Do you know what created is? All it's saying is the moment this components gets created, I want to take the products data from this products JSON and link it to this dot products. This dot products is basically anything inside this data object here lah. So you can put whatever you want here. Are you aware of this?
But this one don't need to use DOM.
This is all DOM behind the scenes already for you
All
automatically.
behind the scene
So you
already,
see
yeah.
name,
Okay.
age, products are all get reactive. You see products over here. Then name, age. They all automatically show over here inside the HTML. Okay. I can even what is it? Do inside what is it called here? Text box, right? Placeholder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Name. Even this name here. Oh sorry, no, placeholder is like that. You don't have placeholder in your text box.
That's not the thing you.
Oh, name. Sorry, it's called name. See your property type name here? We come to your placeholder name, right? You can reference to this guy called Jom.
It's not working as well. Or you create
Yeah, you put
another.
the same. I think you put the same name just now. Maybe you change to something else. The name. No. The string. The string inside.
Oh, no wonder.
Or at the front.
Okay, yeah. Joma. Right? Now, it's reactive. You know why it's reactive? Because every time I click handle add, right? I can do this. This dot name equals name plus I just want to generate random string name lah.
Using random numbers.
No wonder. No. Math dot this dot name equals this just whatever first. So I have a name called if I add product, you see, this is dynamic also, you get it? Right? So now I want to append to my JSON object. How you do it? You have to write to a file also actually. You have to write to a file, correct? This dot product dot push, I just push the entire product over here. Like that. You get this part?
Means you save into the product JSON.
Yeah, insert the product JSON. But no, but here is I insert the product JSON, yes. See here what I did here, I show you here now. Okay, it's adding, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Then I refresh the page. Okay, I refresh the page, gone here lah. Because I did not actually write permanently to this file lah. But no need to bother lah, I think. I think just for dummy purposes, we can assume that this is always the default data. Then we can add product, we can remove the product. But the more I change page or whatever, all this data is gone already lah. That's the only thing lah. It's not permanent lah. If you want to make it permanent, we have to write to the file. Write to this JSON file. I leave that to you, okay, Paul? Anna.
Can try lah.
Yeah. Node.js got a lot of like usefulness for you. You can even just like follow these guys or write file. You see Node.js, their version, they got a lot of features here on Node.js, very powerful, right? You got this thing here called write file, FS. FS is a file system. You can do anything you want in your operating file system. You can write to a file, a pen file. Actually, it's called a pen file, if I'm not mistaken, a pen file. Super simple code here, actually. They give you a lot of examples already. Then you can go here and find out fs. Pen file, and look up some examples, or then they tell you already. Yeah, copy paste only, done already. I mean, but you can ultimate like asynchronously and synchronously there. But actually you want to write file. You know why? Because how are you gonna append to this file? You need to put this whole object. If you append to the file, you'll basically become like that. You will take this object and you append it below. You append it like that. See what I mean? It will not be inside a proper JSON. You'll add it to down here.
Mm-hmm.
When you append to a file. So what you have to do is you have to write the file. Write file means replace everything with the whole new object again from here. From, you know what I mean? Replace with this whole object here. After you added, you replace it.
It means that overwrite the entire file.
Yeah, overwrite the entire file every time. So if you look back inside the code here.
Wait, why overwrite? Is it because I save the JSON file, then it will save to another file, is it?
Okay, you can choose not to overwrite, but you can choose to append or add to the file, correct? Add to the file. But how you going to add to the file? He'll be like, oh yeah, I'll add to the file. Okay, fine. He will add it beneath here. Underneath this curly brace, he'll add a new line and just continue writing down here. You will not be able to write inside here, you know what I mean? Like inside here like that.
Okay.
See?
Okay.
Unless you want to go somehow go and do some funny thing and try and specify add to the file before this thing here, you know what I mean? But some people say, you know what, don't bother with all that. Just rewrite the whole file. And anyways, if you're writing to the file already, it doesn't matter whether you write a small thing or write a big thing, you are just writing already. It doesn't take any extra resources also. You know? It's not like you have 10 million rows where you have to a lot of issues. This is just dummy purposes first. Just write file instead of append file. Easier. Fill the pass JSON the file line. Why? Oh, invalid JSON. Oh, this one. Yeah, so you know what I mean? It's easier to always just take this whole object and then just append write file, don't just use append. Right?
Mm-hmm.
See this? See that? You get it? It replaces the whole file. Append file. Append data to the file. If it doesn't exist, create a file. But if it exists already, right, it just appends data only. You get it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you don't want to do that because then it will give you a weird. It will just add to the bottom only, Okay, so I think if we got this, then we got solid. We got we got a simple mock data to test with as well. Actually, this one we will eventually do in Firebase lah, but you can use this also. This is very simple to test on it. Then you can see reactivity. Then what you want to do is you want to do the V4 loop over here. Over here, V4. Are you aware of V4?
Yeah.
V4. What is it again? What's the P in products? Right, P in products. Then if you come down here, always must have a key. So you do here. This is a secret. P index in products. You want to know what's P? You want to know what's index? Very simple. I show you. Comment everything out. Come back to here. Now all my why the cards still here? This is in profile,
This is
right?
profile.
Up here. Oh,
Now
you
it's
put your.
I think you put dummy data in the card. Because now it's all showing product A.
Oh. Oh yeah. That the V4 work already, lah, right? So P card and product A. Actually, you should just do like that, lah. So let's put this here. There you go. Everything is here straight away. But I'm gonna call it what is it? P. Okay.
packet, curly packet, I think. Yeah, JavaScript.
See this? Paul?
Mm-hmm.
So
P
you do
dot
P dot
name.
name.
Okay. See this?
Yeah, it takes the name, the name
Yeah.
variable.
Here, no name here. If I go back to the products JSON. See it?
Yep.
Yeah, you have to refresh the page because I think you update the product JSON, it may not work directly here. You have to refresh the page, this one. Yeah.
Okay.
But if you just update here live, let's say p dot description. Yeah, refresh it again. Oh, no description. Oh yeah, no description, all of them. Yeah. Okay lah. So I think we got the good idea already, right? And button, I leave it to you later. So you have to update for them as well. So basically, I think is everything in the user profile page. It's automating user profile page.
Yeah.
In the mock data and then create the product. Yeah, try. Then if not anything, you can always ask. Just ask us in the group.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Awesome, man. Hey guys, so I'm gonna push this. Then add mock data.
So the next to do is the
A
rest
lot
of
of
the
stuff.
yeah.
A lot of stuff.
Yeah, it sounds like a lot, but later on, once you guys get very pro, this one all very simple for you. But in the beginning, it sounds in the beginning it'll take a while, but after a while it get damn simple. Yeah. Then the login one, this one, how your one, right? You log in, you can see the state of the user, and then you can see the user state over here, because we need a state. Then we will store that state in the database, because then we will know what's your product, what's your purchases, kind of thing,
Alright.
so you give that a try, and then if you can try save to database, is a good whatever dummy thing, because it's all Firebase anyway. Awesome, guys. So okay, I pushed already. Then anything we can chat again on Wednesday.
Alright.
Awesome, guys.
Okay.
All right. Anything else? Nothing.
Nothing.
Nope. Not for me.
Anything can message.
I'll just compile